Hey guys, this is Whitney from AirMart, and I'm so excited to share today's Friday flyby with you. It is this gorgeous 2018 SR22 Turbo. This G6 has every single option from the factory, including GTS and factory flight into known ice. She has only 459 hours since new, and like every G6, she also has tubeless tires, Beringer brakes, and the Spectra wingtip lighting system. The interior of this G6 is absolutely beautiful with this carbon obsidian black. Of course, you have top-of-the-line safety with Garmin's Perspective Plus cockpit with 12-inch screens. You have the QWERTY keyboard, the GFC 700 autopilot with the level button, and your 4-in-1 backup display. Additionally, you have your oxygen and air conditioning controls. There's really nothing that compares to a Cirrus cockpit. From the black spinner and the scimitar prop to the beautiful monarch blue paint and snow white exterior, this G6 is an absolutely stunning example of the Cirrus prestige. This bird is of interest to you. My name is Whitney from AirMart. Give me a ring. Hope you all enjoyed this video and have a great weekend.